So the Image Analysis SDK can analyze various visual features in images, such as detecting adult content, identifying brands or objects, and recognizing human faces. Key features here is going to be dependent on whether you're using version 4, which is the latest version recommended for most use cases, or version 3.2, which offers a broader range of features, which you might have to use this if you are looking for those specific feature sets. So for version 4, we got retext, captions, dense captions, tags, object detection, custom image classification, people, smart objects. And then in version 3.2, you can see there are some different things like celebrities, adult content, landmarks, things like that. One thing I want to point out is that when you are utilizing the SDK, you're using the computer vision's resource endpoint. There's no image analysis resource in Azure. It's just more confusion for people trying to match up the marketing versus the portal versus what's in the code. What kind of type of image analysis can we do? Let's look at it in more detail here. So some are in 4 and some are in 3.2. We say preview only, but at this point, a lot of these are kind of out of preview. So maybe I just needed to update this because I'm pretty sure this is now out of preview and this is now available. But we have model customization. So create custom models for image classification detection object. We have read text from images, so extract text from images using OCR, detect people in images, so identify and locate people in images, generate image captions, so create human readable captions for images, detect objects, so identify objects and locations of images. And notice just if it doesn't say only, then it's for both. Tag visual features, so tag objects, scenery, and actions in images, get the area of interest, smart crops, detect brands, categorize an image, detect faces, detect image types, detect domain-specific content, detect the color scheme, moderate content and images. So there you go. But you can see there's some stuff that's in 4, some stuff that's in 3.2, and some that are shared, okay?